guy's propeller is spinning in the wind, and I find it to be the most amusing thing in the world. Look at it go! Alright, so we made it here. This is our campsite. What a weird spot for the fire pit. So how do you feel about that 9+ hour drive? This actually looks like it's relatively neat. Brand new 10-man tent. Oh, it's actually a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. New tent came in a box. Lots of kindling.
I think they probably go where the green outlines are. Probably.
Interesting.
Yeah. I think that's the general idea. Let me check the front of this.
I love me some color-coded things.
Yes.
Did you just touch me in the butt? Not gonna lie, I kind of like this. Sorry. Don't make this YouTube video. Don't rate it. Okay, we have some structure.
How's that?
High five. Good job, buddy.
Down.
High fives.
Before I put the curtain up, I want to do an inside tour of this ridiculous tent. Like, look at this. It's spacious. This is like an entire bedroom. I could live in here full time. There, Shane. That's your bedroom there.
Yay! Hey, get that contraption out of my face. Who said you can get out of my way?
You look so creepy on camera because like your face is covered in shadow. So that outdoors toilet is like the most foul thing I've ever smelled.
Do you need to know? Sure. Use the one I came out of because it reeks.
Of explosive diarrhea.
I don't know.
As we follow the Shane into the toilet. So it is like 9:30. It is getting real dark. I don't even know if you can see me. Don't even have a fire going yet, but we got our tent and everything set up. So I'm gonna have a fire going so that we can eat. So I'm trying to get a box fire set up. I've been watching a lot of Alfie's videos. Lay flat. Yeah, you can get a better look at what's in there right now. Now it's pretty dark. I'll pepper that on top of there. More surface area is exposed, the better it catches flame. Okay, on my fire steel, I'll try throwing some sparks in this bad boy. So I'm trying to work the birch bark to be more fibrous and catch a spark much more easily. I don't think that birch bark's dry enough. My boy Shane is gonna try starting this fire with the firesteel. You want it in closer. You basically want the tip touching the, yeah, and remember, yeah, pull the firesteel over. Yeah. You really have to like dig it in there. There you go.
Oh.
Shane's first firesteel fire. Good job, buddy.
Thank you. I'm printing a picture. Oh wow, you can see the fire there.
That's so cool. Alright, so it's probably like 10 o'clock at this point. Fire's going, thanks to Shane. And once we get an ember, I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to cook some food because I'm a little bit hungry.
Hot dogs!
You're good?
Sounds good.
Oh, it sounds good. Yeah, so
Hot dogs!
see you in a bit. Hey, Mr. Froggy. Ribbit. Nam. Alright, so I know I've talked about it before. This is my Klymit sleeping pad, the Static V Insulated. Coyote. I'm gonna sit here like a scrub and inflate it. I've used this a couple times now. And it's pretty good. I find my blowhole. Little valve there. Opens and closes. There we go. Nice and inflated. And sleep on. Almost end of the first night. We made it, managed to set up camp with only a small amount of failure. Oh, yeah. So apparently I can't be trusted with hot dogs on the grill because I dropped like, I think it was 3. One big one and 2 little guys in the fire. The hot dog graveyard. I'm the hot dog murderer. So go to bed shortly. I wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy. Start another fire. Then basically fuck around for the day.
Lake Superior.
Yeah, because we're literally like 100, maybe 200 feet away from Lake Superior. We have this thing where we're trying to knock off all of the Great Lakes off our list that we go swimming in. And what was it? If we go swimming in this lake, then Lake Michigan is the only one we have left?
Yep. The only one that's outside of Ontario that we can't get to unless we have a passport.
And just like that, got a hanging lamp. There's a platform. Got my pedal on the other side. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to bed, YouTube. See you in the morning. Make the coffee. A little stick in there. These pickpockets still. Trying to keep it up off the table so it doesn't burn a hole in it. Alright, I think we're good. B.O. completely natural toilet paper timber. Work it. Catch a spark for sure. And you have to take a dump in the middle of the night and you can't find where the bathroom is because it vanished. The great Houdini. Hashtag the Houdini. Hashtag get better hashtags.
Or hashtag don't be a hipster and stop using hashtags. There's coffee crisp. Good job, Mike. Yeah. Yeah, there's 3 tea bags in there. It's a honey lemon.
Man, this really does not want to catch the spoon. There it goes.
Yeah. Fire.
My little stick burner. So I know we're at like a more casual campsite. For me, this is kind of on the boring end of things, but at least I get to try some techniques that I've never tried before in the safety of an established campsite. Do you want my multi-tool so you can handle that? Touch it with your bare hands. Or any other type of animal hand. With cat hands.
Good luck.
It won't move. So I want to identify what these are. Not touching them because I don't know enough. Still pretty cool. We're going to the beach. I don't know if you can see it through the tree line there, but there's the water on the other side of a small hill. That's some pretty warm sand.
I can feel it.
That's Lake Superior. Neat. Not so bad once I desensitized to it, but I'm not desensitized to it above my knees. It's like fondling my balls ever so gently. It's giving the old fondula to the gondola. Ha! 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 I have 3 Adam's apples. It's not getting any better.
When you upload the video, you need to put it in the bottom with an asterisk over dramatization. It's not that bad.
It is. Fucking wave.
Honestly,
Honestly,
honestly, I can say it's not as bad as Lake Huron.
Oh, no, this is probably the worst I've ever had it.
Lake Huron is a lot colder. This is actually not that bad. It's not terrible. You're actually really tasty.
I know, right? I'm like the whitest motherfucker you've ever seen. So I sit at a desk all day.
It's like polar bear ass.
Did you hear that?
There's something everywhere.
Yeah. It's kind of a tricky thing to get a hang of, but or if you want to pose with it. Rule number 1: fill in your holes. It'd be really cool if we found something really interesting.
Yeah, find a gold bar too.
So now we go through this, and there's a good chance it's a bottle cap, so that happens a lot.
So we're approaching the end of the second day. So what was it, like 4:30?
About 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock? Getting some lunch going. And pretty much just lays around the campsite for the rest of the day.
The water was fun though.
Yeah. Didn't appreciate freezing my nipples off. Like, I got out of the water and like they genuinely hurt. Like, trying to dry them off was like making them throb in pain. I literally froze my nipples off. Alright, I'm gonna make me some food and I'm gonna eat that food because I'm hungry. Shane has been metal detecting without much luck, unfortunately. I'm filling these holes after. So right after that last clip where I said that Shane hadn't found anything, I actually dug this up. I don't know what it is. It looks like some sort of gear. That's pretty neat. Well, final morning. Now comes the fun part of finishing packing up and the 9-hour drive back home. Thanks for watching.